we can start assembling the tools we need to find meme coins on Solana. The first tool you need is a website that tracks tokens that only trade on decentralized exchanges. Obviously, that's because most meme coins trade only on decentralized exchanges. There are multiple websites that track these types of tokens, but the two most popular ones appear to be DEX Tools and DEX Screener. For the purposes of this video, we'll use DEX Tools. Of course, when you open up DEX Tools, you'll be bombarded with lists of tokens that have gone up by thousands of X's. More often than not, that's because these tokens have just launched, and that means there's a very high likelihood that you will ride the elevator down if you FOMO in at the top floor. I know it's hard, but you must do your best to ignore all the tokens on the homepage that appear to be going parabolic. Speaking of which, ignore any labels that suggest the token is popular or trending. That's because there are apparently paid services that allow meme coin creators to game the algorithms of websites like DEX Tools to make their tokens come out on top. Naturally, the goal is to get people to buy. Literally, the only thing you need to pay attention to on the homepage is the button at the top left that says All Chains. Now, because we're going to be looking for meme coins on Solana, click on All Chains and select Solana. This should change the list of cryptos on the homepage. Next, scroll down until you see the full list of cryptos. What you want to do now is reorder this list based on total market cap. That's simply because it's not the price tag of a crypto that determines how much it can pump, but its market cap. So, to do this, click on the arrow next to TM cap until it sorts from small to big. Once you've done this, you'll quickly notice that most of the tokens with the smallest market caps launched recently. As I mentioned earlier, it's unwise to enter a brand new crypto due to the rug pull and pump and dump risks. Instead, look for tokens that have been around for a few weeks or ideally a few months. Now, once you've picked, click on the token. It should take you to a page that looks like this. What you need to do now is some basic due diligence. For starters, check to see what the long-term price action looks like. That means setting the chart to the daily or the weekly. If it's consolidating, then great. If the chart is looking bullish, even better. There are two types of meme coins: coordinated meme coins and community-driven meme coins. Now, coordinated meme coins are meme coins launched by crypto influencers and often aim to achieve a specific price or market cap. These meme coins typically don't yield very large returns. By contrast, community-driven meme coins are those related to popular memes. They do not have a specific price target or market cap they're going for, and the narrative is amusing enough to organically bring in new capital. These are the kinds of meme coins that go up by hundreds of X's, sometimes more. The caveat is that the creators of coordinated meme coins have noticed this, and they've shifted their strategy to launching a meme coin, claiming the devs have jumped ship, and then relaunching the meme coin, claiming that it's been taken over by the community. Stay away from these meme coins. This ties into the second rule of thumb, and that's to focus on meme coins that are related to memes and narratives that are likely to endure over time. Meme coins related to specific events and catalysts don't always do very well, and even when they do, the returns aren't very big and don't last for long. Conversely, meme coins with enduring memes or narratives are likely to see many pumps and dumps that will give you opportunities to make enormous profits. Pro tip: enduring memes and narratives are often those that relate to the smart contract crypto the meme coins exist on, in this case, of course, Salana. And this relates to the third rule of thumb, and that's to avoid aping into meme coins that have just launched or are in the middle of their first pump. Aping into a meme coin that's just launched runs the risk of getting rugged, whereas aping into one that's starting to pump runs the risk of getting dumped on. Ideally then, the meme coin you're considering has been consolidating for some time. In other words, it's had a pump or two, its price has plummeted, and it's been trading sideways for weeks or even months. Assuming the community is still active on Twitter/X, Telegram, Discord, etc., it's a good candidate. Now, the final rule of thumb is to realize that most meme coins will not go up nearly as much as the ones you've heard about in the news or on social media. Even so, you'll be surprised at how many can go up by 10x or more in a few days or less. Objectively speaking, those are very big and very fast returns. On that note, I must stress that meme coins are extremely high risk and extremely volatile. In plain English, meme coins are not investments, folks. They are trades at best, and their prices can go up and down by hundreds of % in a matter of minutes. Usually, the direction is down, and you end up with nothing. Now, once you've acquired the meme coin you wanted, you should start thinking about when you're going to sell it and how you're going to sell it. In this context, these questions are two sides of the same token, so to speak. Ideally, the meme coin you chose should have a chance of listing on a centralized exchange at some point. This is ideal because listing on a centralized exchange will make that meme coin more accessible. The result is that there should be more investment, and that means that your bag will grow bigger. The catch, though, is that not all meme coins manage to list on centralized exchanges. The consequence of this is that it limits their growth potential. Now, to wrap things up, let's answer that second pressing question. What do you do with the gains from your meme coin degeneracy? As I already mentioned, the answer ultimately depends on your personal preferences, but I want to hit you guys with a statistic. 70% of lottery winners go bankrupt within a few years. Given that finding a 1000x meme coin is analogous to winning the lottery, there is a high chance that you'll be back to square one in no time. This fundamentally depends on whether you're able to manage your money properly. To be blunt, this is something that most people don't know how to do. From our perspective, the biggest rule of thumb for managing money is to find ways to make it work for you. As we mentioned in our previous meme coin video, this can include investing in stocks with high dividends or buying and staking robust proof-of-stake cryptos. I have a friend who's semi-retired that way. So, if you do manage to find a promising meme coin, have the stomach to hold it when it goes up by hundreds of X's, and if you're lucky enough to sell near the top, find ways to put that money to work and resist the urge to spend it on stuff that will give you little to nothing back, including even more speculative meme coins. If you're in crypto, then you'll already know that using altcoin profits to stack BTC is a common approach to preserving wealth in this industry. We reckon that's a rational approach to take with meme coins too. Now, with a bit of luck, history will continue on its current trajectory and BTC's value will continue to grow exponentially indefinitely. That means you'll eventually be able to borrow against your BTC holdings in order to buy what you want and need without having to pay tax. That is, if the rules don't change, of course. And because the value of those loans will decline in real terms over time, you may never even have to pay anything back, just like the real 1%.
Thank you for joining us today on this insightful journey into the world of crypto and investing. If you found value in today's discussion and want to stay updated on future crypto news and market insights, don't forget to hit subscribe button below and click the notification bell. By subscribing, you'll be part of our growing community, gaining exclusive access to timely analyses and strategies. I look forward to having you with us in the next video.